Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. These are the ingredients that we are going to use to make the recipe today. Are you ready? Let's go. Welcome back. We are going to start this recipe for prepping to make mac and cheese. If we start for filling up a pan with 6 cups of water. Now the water for the mac and cheese is boiling. Now we are going to do the seasoning for cutting up the tomatoes and the onions. So you are enjoying this video so far, give a little tap to the like button and to the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now, let's cook. After adding the ground beef, let it cook until there's no pink anymore. I believe that this is ready. Don't you think? No, it's not ready yet. There's still some pink in there.